First, I can show you my top selling videos for October this month. This video is about making concepts, city traffic shot. In this video, I took a top angle shot in nighttime traffic. And this video earns $20. October video sales details. Lifestyle concept. The interior studio shot a ringing cell phone, but the video is sold for 25 cents as always too low. Sad people concept. This video was shot in an interior studio with an empty background. 2 clips sold for 50 cents. Each 25 cents. Next is watching TV. People and families are watching TV movies and relaxing at home. This video earns $8. Healthcare medical concept. This video makes a close-up shot ambulance emergency nurse working. And when more clips sold in ambulance light blinking close-up shot. Clip video earns $5.52. I sold a total of 6 videos, with different types of video sales. Earned $33.12 this month. Video sales revenue October Shutterstock is good but lower than September previous month revenue. A surprise sale this October. Selling single photos at high prices. Sold single and other. This photo was taken during an Indian festival. And earns $15. This month, there are lots of on-demand photos for sale. Food and holidays concept. People cook food at home and people celebrate Indian festivals photos. And earns $13. A total of 101 photos were sold this month. And earns $45.41. Funny moments this October. People's concept. This photo was taken in close-up. The same photo is sold twice for 10 cents. It is sold single and other. Download a total of 107 items in October and earn $78.53. Convert Indian rupees to approximately 6,493.23. October earnings on Shutterstock. Thanks for watching and subscribing to my channel. PSD Guide.